Hey everybody! In this video we'll explain how to install Simple OAuth and use Authorization Code Grant for Drupal 9. So we go to Extend and we enable the module Simple OAuth. After that we need to generate the keys. So we need the directory where the public and private key will be stored after the generation. This is the path /code/web. We copy that. Now we need to add a client. And we need to use the proof key. This is used for cross-site forgery request. And we need to add the redirect. We can use this page URL. Okay, now we have the consumer. And now we need to add a scope. Before we create a new scope, we need to create a new role named consumer. So we go to people and roles and we create the new role consumer. We refresh the page and now happy. But before that, access token access, and now we need a Postman platform. And we can put authorize client ID from this one we created, and response type code and redirect URL. Sorry. We can use for redirect URL, we can use this. And for scope, we can use this. Access token I think we need access token. This. And for attack cross-site forgery request, we can use this parameter, and we can put any code, random code. Now we put it manually, but this code should be generated from the client side. And we need to, now we can try this. It works. The status response status code is 200, so it works. But we need to try it on the browser to see it clearly. I need to log out first. Mhm. Mhm. Admin. Grant access to client. The scope. This is the scope. Allow. And now we got the authorization code with the state with the code we put it manually. So the next step, we need to get the access token using the code. So we open a new tab in Postman and we put this URL token, and the body client ID is the same client secret with simple secret, and we need to put the code. So the code here, and grant type authorization code. The redirect URL is the okay. Now we get the access token and the refresh token. All is work fine. Thank you guys.